What does the shape of these little buns make you think of?
A mouse! Hello, I'm going to eat you!
We make these little buns to garnish them with meat. Formerly, the Chinese called them Hu Yao Si, the tiger bites the lion. They were offers at the weddings. Then, they crossed the borders. In Taiwan, they were called Hu Yao Zhu, the tiger bites the pig. In Hong Kong, Chow Bao, fork buns. In Singapore and Malaysia, Ko Yo Bao, small meat buns. Today, they are known as Bao Bun or Ke Bao. In this video, I show you how to make these buns. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients for trail buns. First, dilute 30 grams of sugar in 250 grams of lukewarm water. Then add 5 grams of yeast. Briefly mix and let rest for 10 minutes. In a mixing bowl, put 500 grams of all-purpose flour and 5 grams of baking powder. Combine. The yeast has activated, add it into the flour. Briefly mix. Then add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix again. Knead for 5 minutes. Form a ball. Cover and let rest for 2 hours at room temperature. Knead the dough a little to remove the air. Make a log. Divide it into 12 parts. Form balls. Cover them. Spread to obtain disc 10 cm in diameter. Spread some sesame oil on the surface. Fold in half. Lightly flatten. Put on a piece of baking paper. Place them in a steamer basket. Leave some space between each other. Let them prove for 30 minutes before cooking. Steam them for 8 minutes over high heat. Cut the fire. Don't remove the lid for 10 minutes. Otherwise, the ferment shock will contract the buns. They are very soft and they smell so good. Garnish them right away. They are delicious.
Je peux le manger nature?
Oui.
C'est bon.
Once cooled, you can freeze them. Later, reheat them in a steam pot. In the next video, I will show you the caramel chicken bao bun. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.